to the Healing Insights 70-day course. We are on day 29. We will be starting step 3, mindset of the 5-step process. Let's get started. My healing insight for today is know the law of attraction. As I mentioned in the 5-step process for fibromyalgia relief course, my oldest son, Praagh, was especially supportive and helped me to realize that I needed to learn what the law of attraction was. He knew that I was focusing on the negative. He knew that all of the emotions I was feeling had me stuck and in pain. He knew that my body was stuck in the stress response cycle. He realized that all of the stress hormones were being excreted and causing me to stay stuck in the cycle of negativity, and I was bringing misery into my life. He didn't want to offend me, so in his subtle way, he just asked me if I knew what the law of attraction was. Of course, I didn't, but when I Googled it, it was an insight that has changed my life forever. Don't get me wrong. At first I thought, what a crock. Easy for that to be applied when your life is running smoothly, right? I thought, what about when your life is a mess? When you're in constant pain, when you have such a brain fog and such stress that you can't even make a rational decision. What a simple yet vital concept that has the power to make us all the creators of our own destiny. Yet somehow, this simple process was not so easy for me to implement into my life. But little by little, with all the other techniques, remedies, and alternative methods that I was using, I was able to get the ball rolling. I can't forget to mention how tapping has helped me to be able to apply this healing insight to my life by being able to process and release emotions not serving me. I was able to have more control over my thoughts and not be so reactive to situations in my environment. By implementing physical activity through light, short yoga and stretches, I was able to ease some of my physical pain, which also helped me gain even more of my thought process back. By cleaning up my diet and making those changes part of my new healthy lifestyle, I was feeling even less pain and more clear with every bite of nutritious food. The vitamins and supplements that I added to my daily regimen were helping me to improve the severe vitamin D deficiency, iron deficiency, relieve body aches, and boost my energy. These vitamins and supplements eventually replaced medications, which gave me even more access to my thoughts. Taking action and learning how self-care was a must also helped me feel more in control, not only of my body, but of my life. So gradually, the positivity was starting to flow. I was starting to learn that these emotions were holding me back. I realized these emotions were making me sick and were robbing me of the life I once knew. These emotions were keeping me from an even better life that I never knew I was even able to have. I was beginning to be able to interrupt those negative thoughts. I was starting to quiet the critical voice. I was learning to use my critical voice to know what I needed to tap on. The more and more I listened to my critical voice without judgment, I was able to have the mental power I needed. The more I listened to the aches and pains in my body and nurtured myself, the more my body responded in a positive way. I was feeling inspired. I was thinking more clearly, thinking and seeing the possibilities, as well as feeling empowered. I was feeling alive. I was taking action and I was taking notes. I was seeing the changes in my body and the changes in my life. I was noticing how this positive law of attraction cycle was working for me. I was realizing that this basic concept was a huge piece of knowledge that I should have been taught as a child. It should be taught to every child. It should be part of every educational institution. It should be standard core curriculum, in my opinion. Imagine how healthy, how happy, how loving, how fulfilled we could be as a society if we had been taught this one insight. Imagine how you could be living your purpose, how you could be connected to your true self, how you could be living the life that you choose to live, not a life that was programmed into your mind, not a life of pleasing others because you didn't know better, not a life of misery because you were not taught how to nurture your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Please take the time to understand what the law of attraction is. I advise you to realize that the law of attraction is a real law, just as the law of gravity is. I am hopeful that you will use this healing insight to the benefit of your own well-being. I urge you to teach your children and your grandchildren about this. They can create the life that they deserve. They, too, can maximize for a full life. I wanted to share my daily vitamin and supplement list with you. So I'll just read it. You will have it in this day in the PDF. Vitamin D, 1,000 individual units, 7 tablets daily. Joint Health Dietary Supplement. Calcium, 220 milligrams, and vitamin D, 200 milligrams, 1 tablet daily. Bone Health Dietary Supplement. Magnesium, 250 milligrams, 1 tablet 2 times daily. Nerve and Muscle Health Dietary Supplement. Iron, 65 milligrams, 325 milligrams ferrous sulfate, 1 tablet daily. General Wellness Dietary Supplement. Multiple vitamin plus 18 milligrams iron, 400 individual units vitamin D, 400 milligrams folic acid, 6 mcg vitamin B12, 1 tablet daily for General Wellness Dietary Supplement. Vitamin B12, 1 tablet daily. Heart and Nerve Health Dietary Supplement. Fish oil, 1000 mg, 1 tablet 3 times daily, anti-inflammatory dietary supplement. Vitamin E, 400 individual units, 1 tablet daily, breast health dietary supplement. Aloe vera, 25 milligrams, 1 tablet daily, bladder health dietary supplement. Zinc, 15 to 30 milligrams, 1 tablet daily, immune health dietary supplement. So those have replaced the 18 prescription medications that I used to take. Now I just take my vitamins and supplements and eat healthy. The activity Soul-Searching Questions in Daily Challenge can be found in the workbook under Day 29. Pause the video, grab your notebook and a pen, or print out this sheet. Activity. Observe your thoughts. I'll start with a quote. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Oprah Winfrey. Instructions. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Sit and observe your thoughts. Listen to your thoughts and list them under the categories. So you will have a sheet that says Observe Your Thoughts activity sheet. You will have a positive thought column and a negative thought column. And after you observe your thoughts for 3 minutes, you will write down where your thoughts belong, under positive or negative. All right, soul-searching questions. Were your thoughts more positive or negative? How did this make you feel now that you know how the law of attraction works? How can observing your thoughts help you attract more positive results into your life? Daily challenge. Turn hope into action. Clear your mind. Be proactive. Use this list of activities as preventative care. Clear your mind daily. These activities are not just for when you're feeling bad. Use these activities to live a full life today. Here's your Clear Your Mind activity list. Tapping meditation, exercise, eat healthy, quiet your critical voice. All right, those are the activities for Day 29. I will see you in the next video.